Hi guys! Happy Mother's Day to all moms out there. I-share ko lang guys ang na-receive ko ngayong Mother's Day galing sa ating mga kids. Ayan, ito ay galing kay Bunso. Ayan, pwede daw ito i-stick sa ref guys. Ayan. Oh, sorry. Oh, wow, may padala siya guys. Happy Mother's Day. Ayan, flower. Card. Ayan. Another card. Ayan, photo talaga. Ayan guys. And then, yung isa. Flowers din. Happy Mother's Day! All moms!